03. Second place is currently the 19. The 03 getting ready to lap our second place contestant. Dave Sanders in the lead, the JFO car, the Honda, or Rhonda the Honda in second currently. Ava taking those jumps like a trained professional. She's done this once before. The 77 is a pro. The 03, he's not a rookie at all. 02 looks like every time she comes around here, all I see is a smile on her face. There's 19 getting stuck on the wall. Here she comes up over the ramp, the 77 closing in behind her. Passing the 19. The 03 followed by the 77. Laps completed for the 03. 13 laps. 2 more remaining. Final lap for the 03. Final lap for the 03. Checkered flag. Checkered flag going to the 03, Dave Sanders. The 77 in second place.